Welcome to Play and Learn. Farm animals. I am sheep. I am big and white. My baby is called a lamb. I give you wool. Wool can be made into clothing. I graze on fresh grass. I say ba, ba. Goat. I am a goat. I have 2 horns. My baby is called a kid. I climb hills and rocks. I eat shrubs, hay and grains. I give you meat and milk. Rabbit. I am a rabbit. I have a fluffy short tail. I have long ears. My baby is called a bunny. I live in a burrow. I love to eat vegetables. My favorite vegetable is carrot. I say squeak, squeak. Cow. I am a cow. I am a black and white. My baby is called a calf. I give you milk. Milk can be made into butter and cheese. I say moo, moo. Donkey. I am a donkey. I am big and gray. I carry the burden. I have long ears. I eat straw and hay. I say hee-haw, hee-haw. Duck. I am a duck. I have a yellow bill. My baby is called a duckling. I waddle and swim in the pond. I eat vegetables and worms. I say quack quack. Hen. I am a hen. I am small and brown. My baby is called a chick. I give you eggs. I lives in a coop. I eat worms and grains. I say cluck, cluck. Horse. I am a horse. I am big and brown. My baby is called a foal. I live in a stable. I can run fast. I eat grass and hay. I say neigh, neigh. Dog. I am a dog. I sleep in a kennel. My baby is called a puppy. I run and play in the yard. I eat meat and loves to drink milk. I say woof, woof. Pig. I am a pig. I am fat and pink. My baby is called a piglet. I like rolling in mud. I use my snout to search for food. I live in a sty. I say oink, oink.